Okay, it's recording.
Daddy, what would you like to buy today?
I would like to buy 2 pillows and a left shoe.
We don't have a left shoe.
Oh, Waverly, you're supposed to put your passy in your bed. You keep forgetting and putting it in your mouth.
Okay.
Okay, go put it in your bed and come back down.
Okay. We got 2 pillows and
2 pillows and a left shoe. Not a right shoe, a left shoe.
This is a left shoe?
I don't know, you tell me.
Let's see. This is left shoe. Left shoe. Okay.
Okay. How much does that cost?
$5. $3.
No.
Your total is $5. Your total is $13.
$13?
$13.
5, 10, 11, 12, 13. There you go, sweetie.
13. Okay. 1, 2. No. Oh yeah, 13. Okay.
Cash or check? Thank you.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
Okay, my turn.
Guys, later today we're gonna do Pete the Cat and the Bad Banana. It's a really good book. See
Too
the
close.
close.
Too close.
See?
Oh, yeah.
And we're also gonna do. Daddy's gonna read this because it's not a reading brand. We have this. It's a sticker book. It's really cool. Pete the Cat's World Tour.
Okay.
I hope Ryan's toy review will walk us this one too. Daddy.
Okay, so you go find something you want to buy.
I would like to buy. Daddy.
Yes, sweetheart. Oh, you still have your passy. Put it in your bed. Okay. Ooh, we got some movies.
And some games too.
Okay. Show me what you got. Okay.
Oh, this.
Secret Life of Pets. Let's see.
Welcome.
Gonna do that. It's gonna be $2.85.
$2.85.
Ooh. Donkey Kong Returns. That one's gonna be $4.21.
$4.21.
Super Mario Galaxy, 25 cents.
25 cents.
Oh, the Grinch, $99.03.
No. Do the Love Kai one.
Love Kai. Oh, Love Kai bonus minus $75.
Your total is 100.
No, I think you plus. I think you minus.
Minus $5.
Minus $75. Your total is
Oh, okay.
31.
Okay, and I would like that's.
That one goes free. And then you want to buy those books?
Pizza
Okay.
Cat.
15 cents. 15 cents.
Your total is $31.
Okay, $31.64. Who is this little sweet little girl?
$40,
Oh, hi.
please.
Hi, baby.
I get.
Drop my phone.
Here's 40. I say here's
Okay.
$40.
Okay. Oh.
Here's fat.
What are you doing?
Did you, Daddy? Did you? The video's still going.
Okay, we're gonna stop the video
Wavy!
because we're at 5 minutes. Okay.
Wavy.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, say goodbye for now.
Bye. Why are we doing the bye again?
Because 5 minutes.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye bye.
No, we still have to read the